wanted to play my old Wii U gamepad, I went into the charger and I grabbed it out. But before I grabbed it out, I realized something. There was no green or orange light here. So that means it's not working. Like even if I spam the power button, it won't open. That means that your Wii U gamepad is broken and it needs to be fixed. Okay. So now that you know that your Wii U gamepad is broken, now you need to fix it. So the first thing we have to check is if the battery is okay. So you get yourself one of these really small screwdrivers and open the battery cover. Okay, so now that you open it, you see this thing. The next thing you have to do is you have to pull this thing out and put the battery out, grab the battery out, and wait for 10 seconds. Then try putting it back again and see if it works. Make sure to aim it carefully and push it in. Okay, so after you put the battery back in, just put the cover back on. If it still doesn't work, like if you keep on trying and trying, it doesn't work, then there's one last thing left. There's another way to check it, and that's going into the actual inside of the gamepad. So for us to look inside the Wii U gamepad to see if there's any problem or not, then we have to buy a tri-ring screwdriver made just for the Wii U gamepad from Amazon. It only costs $5, so it's no big deal. So before you screw in these things to check if there's any problem, then first you have to take the screw covers off, which I already did. Then you use your screwdriver and then just have to screw out every single screw. Okay, so before you open the back, you first have to grab the battery out. After you've screwed all of these 10 screws out with your screwdriver, then you have to gently lift this thing up. It should be very loose. You have to gently lift it up. Don't put all the way up because there's a wire right here that might get damaged. Okay, so when we first opened this up, I noticed that this thing was lifted up, which it shouldn't be. You should check this one as well. This is most commonly detached when it's like falling, when it gets broke, like when it falls down on a hard surface. So all you have to do is just push it down. Make sure that you're pushing down this slightly, so this strip won't go away. Gently. And then just put the cover back on gently. Make sure you line it up. Okay, so after you did that, screw all the big screws in, put the battery back in, put the cover back in, screw this, and when you turn it back around, if you hold this, it should light up, and that indicates that it's working. But here's the thing: if you just bought it, and it gets broken in less than a year, don't disassemble it. Don't check the battery. Don't do any of this science stuff. You should go to Nintendo manufacturers for free services, and they'll tell you how to fix it.